story starts 2.5 weeks ago when I came up to Jerome for the first time. In Jerome, I was just exploring around. I did not know anything about it except that it was haunted, and that's about it. So while exploring around, I came across this bookshop. And this bookshop is in the 4th story of a house, and it's called Kate's Bookshop. And I noticed something interesting, to say the least. So recently I've been watching YouTube videos about film cameras, and I just so happened to find one while in Jerome with no expectations of getting it. I immediately started doing research, typing in what type of film does this take, how do I use it, and things of that sort. But I still wasn't sure if I wanted it. But that was until I learned it had a story behind it. And I feel like it was too good of an opportunity to pass up. So I bought it. And now I have it here with me, and I'm back in Jerome. And now I plan on taking it everywhere with me. And this is my first roll of film. I don't know what to say. I had no idea. I didn't know anything about it, and